Hi, this is Alex from Pandectes. Now, you might be in the following situation. Previously, your Shopify stats and your Google Analytics were normal. But then you installed the Pandectes GDPR compliance app, set it up, and your stats started dropping. It is absolutely normal, since you can only track the visitors that provide consent to your store. If they decline cookies, well, they will not show on these reports. So, as you can see, the accuracy of your statistics is directly correlated to the percentage of people that accept or decline cookies. But do not worry, there is a fix around that, and I will show you right now. But first, let me show you why you're getting such a high decline rate. So, I just loaded up a store which I can browse and do stuff without interacting with the banner. However, if you have a strict policy, not interacting with the banner means not accepting cookies. And this is why I can keep browsing the store without accepting cookies or declining them. And there is a very high percentage of users that will do it this way. So, we have to make a banner setup that will prevent these problems. How can we do that? Let me show you. First things first, we have to go to the Pandectes dashboard. I recommend selecting a preferences banner and select a policy that applies to you. Then, I will just check the accept button. If your country requires you to also have a decline button, then you can also add a decline button. But the optimal setup is having only an accept button. We have a preferences button and an accept. However, there is still the problem that I can browse the website. We can go to the Style tab and change the position to pop-up. The banner appears in the middle of the screen. Now, I cannot browse the website freely without interacting with the banner. And right now I have two options, either accept, X, or preferences and decline. So, we have to remove the X in order to get the best results. This can be done in Settings, Banner, Behavior tab. If we scroll down, there is a secondary buttons section where we can uncheck the close checkmark. When we reload the page, we have the optimal banner setup, where a user can either accept or go to the preferences and decline. They cannot do anything else. This setup will bring you an acceptance rate of over 90% in my experience. So try it out and let us know if this helps with your analytics. If you encounter any problems along the way or need any help, don't hesitate to contact our support team.